Elon Musk has never been content with the ordinary. From reshaping the auto industry with Tesla, to redefining human potential with AI and robotics, his relentless drive for innovation has captivated the world. And now, he's stepping into your living room. The Tesla Smart TV is not just sleek, it's revolutionary. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and boasting an anti-glare matte finish inspired by Tesla's EV screens, it's built to look flawless in any light. Powered by Tesla's proprietary AI assistant and a built-in Starlink receiver, this TV doesn't just stream, it transforms. With ultra-low latency and adaptive smart features, it ensures flawless performance whether you're gaming, binging, or browsing. Tesla didn't stop with the TV. Their ecosystem of accessories, from the Tesla soundbar to the AI-tuned surround speakers, delivers an audio experience so immersive, you'll feel like you're inside the action. Even the Tesla remote breaks new ground with solar charging and an intuitive touchpad. Musk isn't just selling you a TV. Make sure to click the subscribe button on Core Tech. Together, we can reach 1,120 new members. Your help is crucial to expanding our community and providing you with more incredible information. For example, how does the design of the Tesla Smart TV transform your viewing area? While curved screens can give a more expansive feel, they frequently don't work as well with different room layouts or viewing angles. The Tesla Smart TV, on the other hand, has a flat-screen design that prioritizes a natural and immersive viewing experience for all types of content. Because it removes the visual distortion occasionally connected with curved displays, the flat screen guarantees the best possible picture quality and consistency from all angles, making it perfect for both individual viewing and group sharing. Additionally, the screen's rounded corners reduce the possibility of cuts or bruises for kids who might come into contact with the TV. This considerate safety feature adds to the TV's sleek, contemporary appearance and makes it easy to blend in with any room. The Tesla Smart TV blends state-of-the-art design with high-end features to provide an amazing home entertainment experience. Its incredibly tiny design, which is only 5.7 inches deep, allows it to integrate in with any living area without taking over. The nearly bezel-less display also, for a more engaging viewing experience. Our modern design maximizes screen real estate with a bezel as thin as 0.3. This design reduces distractions and gives the screen a sleek, clean appearance that enlarges it. To accommodate different room sizes and viewing habits, the Tesla Smart TV comes in sizes ranging from 55 to 85. The 55-inch base model costs $197, and greater sizes are priced appropriately, providing an affordable entry point into premium home entertainment. The Tesla Smart TV's frame, which is made of aerospace-grade brushed aluminum, provides the perfect balance of lightweight durability and sleek elegance. Its 0.45 thick matte anti-glare finish, which comes from Tesla's EV touchscreen technology, reduces reflections by up to 95%, making it extremely effective in bright areas or direct sunlight. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or browsing content, this feature guarantees clear visibility without the distracting glare that can degrade picture quality, giving you a crisp and consistent viewing experience in a variety of lighting conditions. The Tesla Smart TV combines sleek design with useful functionality, making installation easy and efficient with the help of this anti-glare technology. In addition to supporting the TV, this simple stand has built-in cable management that lets you conceal cables and connections for a sleek, contemporary appearance that goes well with any space and makes setup easier. With Tesla's in-house quick install system, which is intended to make installation as quick and simple as possible, the TV is completely wall mount compatible. With the 55-inch model weighing only 15.3 pounds and the 85-inch model weighing 23.7 pounds, the lightweight design minimizes setup time and effort and makes mounting simple, even for bigger sizes, without compromising stability or longevity. What extras make your entertainment experience complete? This weight distribution makes sure the TV is safe and manageable during setup. Soundbar for Tesla. The Tesla soundbar with ease combines state-of-the-art audio technology with stylish design, making it the ideal addition to the Tesla Smart TV for a full home entertainment experience. You can hear every detail in your favorite movies, TV shows, and video games thanks to its Dolby Atmos compatibility, which creates an immersive three-dimensional audio experience. With its 1.2 channel audio and specific channels for height, Tesla's unique spatial audio technology creates a more immersive and dramatic experience by giving you the impression that the sound is emanating from all around you. The soundbar pairs wirelessly via Tesla's Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which provides a steady and quick connection with no lag or delays. In order to provide a deep, punchy foundation and clear, crisp treble that covers the entire spectrum of sound with a total harmonic, it also supports a frequency range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. High-quality distortion is minimized below 0.5%. For a rich and complete listening experience, distortion-free music is guaranteed even at high volumes. The surround speakers for Tesla adaptive sound technology, which automatically modifies the audio output based on the rooms, enables the Tesla surround speakers to produce powerful high-fidelity audio despite their small size. The speakers are designed for flexibility and immersive sound, offering a compact design that allows for versatile placement in any room. Acoustics. With a frequency range of 60 Hz to 20 kHz, these speakers adjust the sound to fit the particulars of your environment, utilizing built-in room-sensing microphones and Tesla's sound optimization algorithms, guaranteeing a flawlessly balanced listening experience. They offer powerful and realistic audio reproduction that supports Dolby True HD format and captures everything from deep bass to clear treble. The Tesla surround speakers produce a rich, lifelike soundstage that improves your entire entertainment experience, whether you're watching movies, playing video games, or listening to music. They deliver uncompressed cinematic sound quality while preserving the integrity of the original audio for a genuinely immersive experience. The purpose of the Tesla subwoofer is to enhance your audio experience by producing strong, low-end frequencies. The entire area is filled with a rich, undistorted foundation. Even at high volumes, the subwoofer's frequency response, which ranges from 28 Hz to 100 Hz, ensures that you hear deep, resonant bass tones while removing unwanted rattling or distortion. It is powered by a 200W Class D amplifier, which delivers reliable sound with little heat generation. The small size makes it simple to incorporate into any area without sacrificing aesthetics or sound quality. AL features it as well. By automatically shutting off when not in use, auto on-off technology contributes to energy conservation and lowers total power consumption. The Tesla Remote. With a 2.4-inch touchpad that allows for simple menu and setting navigation and solar charging capabilities, the Tesla Remote's minimalistic design offers a stylish and straightforward user experience. You may have accurate, responsive control at your fingers thanks to the remote's capacitive touch sensor. The TV and other Tesla products may be easily operated hands-free thanks to its support for voice commands via Tesla's built-in voice assistant. With sun charging capabilities, the rechargeable Li-ion battery can be fully charged in a matter of hours and has an incredible 30-day runtime. In addition, the remote function's low-power Bluetooth ensures a steady, lag-free connection for effective communication with other Tesla products. Whether you choose the Tesla soundbar subwoofer or surround speakers, Tesla's accessories are made to work with the smart TV, allowing customers to select the ones that best fit their demands and budget. While each attachment improves the overall viewing and listening experience, using them is not necessary to take advantage of the TV's primary functions. With the ability to mix and match, this customized approach enables customers to choose the accessories that best suit their entertainment tastes and budget. Customers are able to create the system of their dreams without being restricted to a whole package. Where would you prefer spend your hard-earned money? Leave a remark for the sleek soundbar for Tesla. If you're into Tesla surround speakers, drop a 2. If you're into Tesla subwoofers, drop a 3. 4 if you can't live without the Tesla remote, or all if you think each item is worth the investment. 3. Does Tesla TV maintain its dependability and effectiveness over time? The smart TV and accessories from Tesla are designed to function at their best under a range of circumstances. The TV's graphene-infused heat sinks and intelligent thermal sensors cooperate to control heat and ensure seamless continuous operation over extended use. One of their best features is their energy efficiency. With an operating power consumption of only 80 watts for the 55-inch model and 120 watts for the 85-inch model, the TV is Energy Star certified and incredibly energy efficient without compromising performance. The examination subwoofers and soundbars also add to this effectiveness. With low-power standby modes that cut energy use to less than 0.5 watt when idle, this strategic blend of innovative cooling technology and durability efficiency guarantees that Tesla's entertainment products provide a high-end experience while consuming the least amount of energy possible, making them both environmentally friendly and economically viable over time. How can a truly flexible design combine customization with technical specifications? With flexibility and future-proofing in mind, the Tesla Smart TV offers cutting-edge innovations that improve performance and convenience. The AI assistant makes it possible for voice commands and smartphone control to be seamlessly integrated, making setting administration simple. Fast app launches improve linked devices' free operation, saving time and making the TV user-friendly for everyone. Furthermore, even in remote locations, the integrated Starlink receiver guarantees incredibly dependable internet access with rates of up to 200 megabytes per second and latency as low as 25 milliseconds, enabling lag-free gaming and seamless streaming. With 4 HDMI 2.1 connectors, the Tesla Smart TV boasts a full suite of future-proof ports that are intended to increase functionality and accommodate changing technological demands. It guarantees smooth operation and ultra-high-definition graphics with the newest gaming consoles, streaming devices, and home entertainment systems. While the Ethernet port offers a reliable high-speed wired connection for continuous streaming gaming and distant work, the two USB-C ports facilitate quick data transfer and connectivity with contemporary peripherals like external storage drives or high-speed hubs. Furthermore, the TV can accommodate modular accessories like advanced sound modules for a better audio experience or external GPU docks for improved graphics. Because of its adaptability, customers may gradually update and modify their system, guaranteeing endurance, cost savings, and the capacity to keep up with new technologies. With 3 customizable profiles, the Tesla Smart TV offers a high-end audio experience. Tesla's spatial audio engine enhances movies, games, and music to create customized immersive soundscapes that are compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. These profiles give movies cinematic sound quality, accurate audio cues for games, and a lively studio level. Music clarity guarantees a superb listening experience for all activities. The TV's built-in smart room calibration improves performance even more by analyzing furniture arrangement and room size layout using AI algorithms and ultrasonic sensors, automatically modifying the sound, contrast, and brightness settings for best results, with calibration taking only 90 seconds. Customers benefit from a hassle-free, customized setup that makes sure their entertainment system fits in seamlessly with their surroundings. With interchangeable faceplates and movable stands that let customers effortlessly alter their TV to fit their area and style using 5 different material finishes, Tesla's attention to detail also extends to aesthetics. Seasonal patterns, eco-friendly wood veneer, brushed metal matte black, and simple white users can alter their TV to reflect seasonal themes or match its appearance to the decor of their homes. What style is your house? It's Saturday night, popcorn is popping, the living room smells like buttered bliss, and everyone is getting ready to laugh through Home Alone when all of a sudden the cords are a tangled mess. If any of these interchangeable faceplates fit your aesthetic, leave a comment explaining why. If you're thinking of other designs that would fit your walls even better, drop an N. With its sleek wireless design, the app slows just as Kevin lays his traps, and the conversation is drowned out by the room's echo. Lightning quick acting and engrossing sound that permeates every space, this TV seamlessly integrates with Tesla's accessory ecosystem, allowing you to control everything with your voice or phone. It's so easy and seamless that you'll question how you ever managed without it. How do you envision the Tesla Smart TV improving your living area and changing the way you enjoy entertainment? Share your thoughts, they're the foundation for even bigger advancements. Make sure to click the subscribe button on Core Tech. Together, we can reach 1,120 new members. Your help is crucial to expanding our community and providing you with more incredible information. For example, how does the design of the Tesla Smart TV transform your viewing area?
But then eventually I thought that the idea of inventing things would be really cool. And the reason I thought that was because I read a quote from Arthur C. Clarke, which said that a sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And that's really true.